Hello beautiful friends, wherever you are in the world. Today's the Thursday the 27th of May here in South Australia, and the day after the eclipse, full moon, and it's so beautiful here, and I hope you get the feel of it from this really short video where you hear the sounds and see the beauty of where I'm walking right now. The purpose of me sharing this right now is I know globally and for some time, as we all know, there have been many challenges which cause all of us at different times, me included, to get anxious, to be fearful. But what I have found is we feel powerless. But when we feel powerless in those feelings, just by taking some time to breathe, to connect to our heart, to connect to nature, is a powerful tool to release and let go. And I'm hoping that the sound of the ocean and using your breath to close your eyes and just breathe deep into your body and slowly release the breath. Gently tap on your heart space. Listen to the sounds and just breathe and lightly tap on your heart space. And imagine the sound of the ocean is just washing away any angst, any fear, any worry. For you to be present in your body and just to allow. Take a really deep breath now and just open your eyes and just connect to the expanse of this ocean, the expanse of this sky, its beauty. It's there. Connect yourself to nature, connect yourself to your heart, connect yourself to your breath. Sending love to everyone wherever you are in the world. Much love and peace. Namaste.